Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase dissociate yourself from something. It means to separate yourself from something. For example, if you don't want to be linked to a group or idea, you dissociate yourself from it. This phrase is often used in formal situations. You can say, I dissociate myself from the mistake. It shows you don't want to be responsible. Remember, yourself always comes after dissociate. And you use from before the thing you want to separate from. For example, she dissociated herself from the scandal. You can use this phrase when you want to be clear about your position. It helps you avoid misunderstandings. Similar phrases are distance yourself from or separate yourself from. But dissociate yourself from sounds more formal. Try to use it in sentences like, he dissociated himself from the rumors. Practice using it in your conversations. It will improve your English skills. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.